Hello everyone, this is Yuchen, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a car key door. So basically player are going to pick up a car key and also then use the card reader and open up the door beside. So if player don't pick up the car, he cannot use the card reader and nor open up the gate. So first of all, we need the three item card, card reader, and the door. So for the card, we're going to search hotel card, image. That's the card used in the game, and we place it on the ground. And for now, it's only a model object, cannot be it's not interactable. So we change its class type to be a quest inventory item DI. So now player can pick up this card, and then we need a door. So you can just choose whatever door mesh you want to use. I'm gonna use lab door. Actually, that's the door mesh I want to use, and place it on the door frame. And let me adjust its scale it a bit to fit in the door frame. Okay, just like the car, now it's just a model object. We need to change its class type to door DI. So it's a door, it becomes a door that player can interact with. And then we need a card reader. Card reader is actually a trigger. So we're going to object type and search and going to select trigger and place it on the wall. Now it's not a reader because we didn't change its type. The class type is already physical switch DI. That's what we want. We only need to change its type to be TI card scan left or right. You can choose either one. For me, I'm gonna use scan left because it's on the left side of the door. So I'm going to move it up and rotate. Okay, and also make sure that uh, the card reader look placed like this. The arrow is towards the ground, so this way you can trigger the correct animation. Okay, and then we got the three items in, and we need to set up their attributes and also for the quest. First, we're going to name our card so that we can call it in our quest. So I just name my card, and then the card reader, I just name my card reader. For the door, we don't have to name it because we're gonna control it by the card reader using local sync attributes in it. So next step, we're going to link the door to the card reader so that after the card reader is used, the door should be interactable to be opened. So first we're going to change its quest enable state because we don't want player to interact it without picking up the card. So we want to control it by the quest. We detect player picked up the card and then we enabled it using the quest. So we just uncheck the quest enable state to be false. And then we go to switch here and click on the M targets local enabler, click on it, and hand over our cursor to the door. And we hold Control and click right mouse button. The tab shows up, add left door to M targets. So basically it means player use the trigger and the target inside will be the local state will be enabled, which means player pick up the car, use the car reader, and we enable the door to be interactable. That's the logic. So we finished the car reader attribute, and then we need to change the doors attribute. First is the behavior. We want to change it to be closed because it's closed now, and then we're gonna to uncheck its local enable state to be false, because we don't want player to interact it without like using the car reader. So the car reader will enable its local enable state. So not for now it's on we just uncheck it to be false. Okay, we just did the setup for the 3 items and also its all the attribute setup. So now we need the quest to control them, and I just set up a basic structure for this map. We just need 2 more lines, actually 3 maybe. 2 more lines to write the logic. First, we want player to take the car key, right? So first one is to take the class type is quest inventory di. So quest inventory di and car. Okay, and we can embed the tab. Okay, and we can add a objective to this for just for debug. Get car key. Alright. And then after we get the car, we want to enable the car reader. So it feels like I got the correct key, so I can interact with the reader. So then enable physical switch di is the class type for the car reader. Alright, and yeah, that's all we have to write in the quest. And because we don't want the credit thing to be played after we run this 2 lines, so and freeze the game, so we just write. So it's just for my this example map. I just wait 100 seconds to play the credit, so it's just for delay the credit, so it's nothing. You only need to write these 2 lines in your actual quest. So now let's test if everything is working. Okay, as you can see that the objective showing up get the car key. Okay, but before that we're going to test if we can open the gates and interact with the reader without picking up the card. Nope. So it's correct, and let's pick up the card. Okay, we get the card, and then we can interact with the reader, but before that, if we don't interact with it, and the door should not be interactable as well, so it's correct. And then use the card reader. Alright, animation is correct, the lights is on, and then the interaction button showed up. We can open up the gate. Yes, everything works correctly, and it means it's successful, and I hope this video could help you on this one, and thanks for watching.